In this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up automatic email forwarding in Outlook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To set up automatic email forwarding in Outlook, at the beginning you have to open Outlook on your computer, then click on this file and then settings. Now you have to click on mail and then rules. Now you have to set up a new rule to forward email in Outlook. Let's create a rule. First you have to click on add a new rule and type your rule name. Let's think our rule name is automatic email forwarding. Now you have to add conditions for these rules. To add condition, you have to click on select a condition, then you'll find a lots of condition. But if you want to set up email forwarding for all the incoming mail, then you have to scroll down and find apply to all message. Let's select it. Now you have to select action and click on the drop down box, then you'll find a lots of options. But we want to forward our incoming email. To forward, you have to click on forward to, type our email address here. Then select your email address and click on save button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily set up automatic email forwarding in Outlook.